Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to show you two different ways I make aloo ka paratha at home. Both are equally tasty. One is more traditional way and the other is an easier way. Keep watching the video till the end. I will show you the entire process. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get more notifications. We will make the stuffing for aloo ka paratha first. I have taken one medium size boiled potato and I am taking half cup of boiled moong. Sometimes I use only potato to make the aloo ka paratha. Sometimes I also add green moong. I have soaked it overnight, then boiled it in the pressure cooker with 6 whistles without salt. One more thing I would like to say, that when you will boil the moong, add very little water. If you have excess water, do not throw out. You can use to make the dough or you can use to make dal, curry, soup, whatever. Let's smash the green moong and potato. Now let's smash the potato, or you can grate it. Okay, it's ready. Let's heat up the pan. Keep the flame on medium. I am adding about 2 teaspoons olive oil. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons crushed coriander and cumin seeds mix, 2 pieces of chopped green chili, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. We will fry it 3-4 minutes only. Just half fry the onion. Okay, now we will add boiled green moong and boiled potato. See, if you don't want to fry the green moong and potato with spices, no problem. You can also add all the spices directly in the boiled mashed potato and green moong. It's your choice. I always make stuffing like this because it tastes even better. Okay, now turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Then we'll add other spices. It has cooled completely. I have already transferred it in the mixing bowl. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon salt to taste, 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon Bengali bhaja masala or ground masala, 1 teaspoon crushed carom seeds or ajwain, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon mango powder or amchur. Now mix it properly. I will add the Bengali bhaja masala's link end of this video or in the description box. You can check that recipe, how to make Bengali bhaja masala at home. Stuffing is ready. Let's make the dough. I am taking 1 and 1/3 cup multigrain flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Here I have taken half cup of water. Let's see how much we need water as required. We will add the water gradually. We need smooth and soft dough. I have taken half cup water. As you can see, this much is left, about 2 teaspoons. Now grease with very little olive oil. Okay, this dough is ready for stuffing paratha. Keep aside. Now I am going to show you easy way to make the green moong and aloo ka paratha. Again I am taking 1 cup of multigrain flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon olive oil. I am taking some stuffing to make the dough. I have taken half stuffing. Mix it very well. I am showing you this way to make the paratha. If you don't have enough time or if you don't want to make stuffing paratha, this is the easy way to make it. That's why I am showing you two ways to make the paratha. Again I am taking half cup water. We'll add gradually. Now grease with very little oil. Okay, our two types of dough is ready. Rest them for 10 minutes only. It's been 10 minutes. Let's make the stuffing paratha first. Knead it for few seconds. Now make some balls. Size is totally up to you. I am making 4 stuffing parathas. Okay, the balls are ready. Before rolling the parathas, let's preheat the pan. Keep it on low to medium heat. Sprinkle some flour. Put the stuffing in the center. Spread it a little bit. Now seal it. See how I am sealing? If you don't need the extra dough, you can take out. I am sprinkling some more flour and roll it gently. Do not roll it very fast. Okay. One paratha is ready to roast. Let me roll all the stuffing parathas. Pan is already preheated. Now roast the parathas one by one. Before roast the paratha, if you want to grease the pan, you can. Flip the other side. Flip it again. To make the aloo ka paratha, I am using ghee. You can use ghee, butter or oil if you want to. Apply the ghee both sides evenly. Press it gently. After apply the ghee, flip it 2-3 times. Our one paratha is ready. Let me finish all of them. Okay, our stuffing paratha is ready. Okay, now let me show you the easy way. I will knead it for a few seconds only. Let's make some balls. I am making 6 parathas. As I told you, the size is totally up to you. Okay, now we'll roll it. Sprinkle some flour. I will roll it triangle shape. You can roll it round, square or triangle if you want to. See how I am folding. Press it gently and fold the other side. Before fold it, you can apply the oil, ghee or butter if you want to. One is ready. Let me roll all the parathas, then we'll roast them. Our pan is already preheated, so let's roast the parathas one by one. Flip the other side. I am going to roast them together. You can also roast them together or individually if you want to. I I have dry roasted all the parathas. Now I am applying the ghee. All the parathas are ready. Let's serve it. Turn up the flame. Our two types of parathas are ready. I am serving the aloo ka paratha with eggplant pickle or Bengal pickle and plain yogurt. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.